Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow owl.
Let's start drawing.
First, I'm going to show you how to draw an owl. We start drawing its beak, then its two big eyes, which are beautiful. And some fun feathers here. Like this. Now I draw his two wings. And his legs. And now I divide his chest with lines like these. Then the tail. Good job!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color our cute owl, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with red here, then I use orange for his beak. I color this part around his eyes with yellow. Light green. Light blue. Great! Let's continue with his body. Light purple. Purple. Pink for the tail. I use orange for his legs. And start again with red. Orange. Yellow here. Then I use light green. Dark blue. Purple. And pink. How nice! Brown. Dark green. Light green. Fantastic!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.